Got the wife in the front and the kids in the back, pulling that camper down a two-lane track, heading for the mountains for a weekend of peace. When the trailer hitched violently and lost its release, heard a loud crack of iron sparks on the road. We pulled to the shoulder with a heavy load. The kids started crying, the wife held her breath. Looked like a family vacation was meeting its death. I stepped out the truck, saw the frame split in two. I needed a miracle, I knew what to do. I didn't panic, I didn't lose my mind. I dialed up the best fabricator you could find. When the steel breaks down and the plans fall apart, you gotta be the hero with a steady heart. I called Imagination Fabrication on the line, said we're stuck on the highway, we're running out of time. They brought the heat, they brought the spark, chased away the shadows right before the dark. Yeah, they laid down the dimes and they made it all strong, so this family could finally roll along. Well, Daddy showed up with a hood and a grin, fired up the torch and the magic began. A shower of sparks lit up the twilight sky, while the kids watched the fireworks with wide open eyes. He fused that frame tighter than a factory scene, saved the whole trip, saved the family dream. He flipped up his hood, gave a confident nod. I thanked him right there on the gravel and the cloud. Then my wife threw her arms around my neck so tight, said, baby, you really saved the weekend tonight. The kids were cheering